Okay, so can you inherit a firearm in New Jersey? In this video, I'll give you a brief overview on the answer to that question as a non-legal professional. I'm a real estate practitioner and professional, and I help families in Essex County and Hudson County navigate the probate process. So I know this. And then on top of me being a firearms owner myself, I know that New Jersey has the most strict gun laws in America, right behind California, right? So when you inherit a gun collection or guns or firearms in New Jersey, you do not need to get or have to go through the permit application process, right? But you do need to be qualified to own a gun. Let me explain. That means you can't have any physical disabilities or mental health disorders or have certain things on your record for you to inherit a gun. So if you don't have to go through the formal process of getting a permit, getting a permit to carry, for a license to buy or anything like that. You could just inherit the guns if you qualify to own a gun, if that makes sense. I hope I didn't lose you guys because, again, I'm not an attorney. I'm just doing my best to explain this in layman's terms. Now, when you do have to go to the process of getting a permit is when you want to leave the home with the firearm. But if you're not going to leave the home and you just inherit the guns, you could just have it, right? Now, if you don't qualify to have a gun under the pretenses that I explained earlier, having a record, having a mental disorder or physical disability, then you have 180 days to sell the firearm based on what my research. I'm looking down on my notes here. So you can go to the sheriff or go to a local police department for them to hold it until you find somebody that's a qualified arms dealer or buyer to sell it, right? So this is just something I think that is very important for people who are managing an estate, just to know the little nuances, because if you've ever managed an estate, you know that there's a bunch of moving parts and every estate is different. A lot of people's loved ones were into a bunch of different things. Grandpa may have had a car collection and you need to get a special appraiser in there to help you see how much the car collection is or what to do with it. People have guns, people have homes, which I can help with. People have all these different things that they inherit and they don't know what to do and they don't know the law behind them. So again, I do recommend you guys get the help of an attorney, specifically a probate administration or end of life planning attorney, and also reach out to tax professionals, reach out to professionals who can help you navigate the process. Even though in Jersey, technically you don't need an attorney, but I will recommend it based on what I've seen families go through. But if you got any value from this video in regards to inheriting guns in New Jersey, give me a like. I would appreciate that. Thank you.